My SV650 refused to start. Spark plug was dark and wet, but there was a good spark. I connected this vacuum pump for bleeding brakes to the vacuum side on the fuel valve. So when I pumped, there was fuel coming out on the vacuum side. The fuel would get into the intake and drown the rear cylinder. The culprit was this leaky membrane from the fuel valve. There was no seal between the gasoline side and the vacuum side, but she still wouldn't start. Some insect had built nests in the carburetor vent tubes. They were soaked in gasoline, so they were dead. I removed them, and now she finally ran.